I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Mustangs.
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 Today is Wednesday, May 21st, 2025. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ivy. And we'll be your hosts for today.
Let's start with today's mental health tip.
If you're interested in learning more about your mental health and having access to free resources, try using the Soluna app. The app provides free confidential support for people ages 13 through 25.
Happy birthday to Mr. Jackson.
And don't forget to wish Mrs. Freeman a happy birthday tomorrow.
There is a Spirit Week next week. Tuesday is Flip Tuesday. Students will dress as teachers and teachers will dress as students.
Wednesday is PJ Day. Thursday is dress as one of your favorite celebrities. And Friday is Tropical Paradise, so dress in summer attire.
Miss Kubrick reported the highest participation in her coaching career at Rogers.
Way to go, Mustang.
Is created by taking a picture of an object, moving the object, and then repeating the process.
Put all the pictures together to make the object look like it's moving. You can make animations using clay, food, Legos, and even your old toys.
More videos created by computer applications. Students will be played in next week's Mustang Morning News.
Club announcements for today. The No Pressure Social Club and Pride Pack meet in room 27 during both lunches.
Girls Who Code meets at 2:45 in room 16. And tomorrow Garden Club meets at 1:30 to 2:30 in quad 2.
7th graders, Friday's the last day to turn in your Sunrise Rollerland field trip forms.
Don't forget you need to take 90 merits, a signed permission slip, and $6 for skate rentals for free pizza will be provided.
8th graders tickets are on sale for Sunsplash for $30.
They're on a first-come, first-served basis. Purchase tickets from your English teacher. Lunch will not be provided. Sunsplash is on May 27th from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m.
The 8th grade dance is on Friday, May 30th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. at Barrett.
Tickets are $5. Advance purchase required.
Final reminder for CAS testing takers.
Select your math prize drawing category in the Mustang Mecca by this Friday. Remember, effort counts.
That's it for today's Mustang Morning News. I'm Nathaniel.
And I'm AJ.
I'm Aaron.
I'm Jaden.
I'm Eli.
I'm Dexter.
I'm Fayreen.
Iwani.
News. I'm Jacob.
And I'm McKenna.
I'm Ivy.
And I'm Ivy's mom.
I'm Mario.
And I'm Leo.
I'm DJ.
I'm Jasmine.
I'm Fallon.
And I'm Veronica.
I'm Maya.
I'm Maggie.
That's it for today's Mustang Morning News. I'm Kenzie's dad.
And I'm Mackenzie. I'm Adeline Dillon.
And I'm Megan Bird.
I'm Donnie.
And I'm Michael.
I'm Morgan.
I'm Alton.
And I'm Mrs. Berry.
I'm Ivy.
And I'm Anna.
Signing off.
Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.